Well, I went to use this camera and it looks like my screen does not work. Lovely. Probably back to Sony you go. Anyways, if we can get this to work, I got something new to use. Little handheld chainsaw. Little 6-inch. It was on Amazon sale thingy for I think 85 or something like that. They have a 5 and a 6-inch model. This is the 6. Comes with a little Phillips head screwdriver. Probably the cheapest screwdriver I've ever seen, but then it comes with a little oiling bottle. You put bar oil in here, and you're supposed to manually put oil on the bar. It says on this little guard here, every 3 minutes, you're supposed to oil it. They give you an instruction manual, charger like this, which will be nice. Because I don't think I have one like this. Yeah, my other one, I mean, it's in theory the same thing, but it's that style. So it just has a green LED and red LED. This one pretty much just has the brand on it, is the only difference. So, yeah. And then they give you a battery. Let's see how well it does. Not bad. It was in the ground. Definitely, I think would be good to put in a backpack or something if you're going camping. I think that's pretty good though. Got through all that. Alright, well this thing didn't do too bad out there. I do have more slack now than I would want on a chainsaw. Like this, a decent amount there. So I'm going to see if we can tighten that up. It's that janky screwdriver they give you. So it shows unlock this way, so I think this is just a nut you tighten. So I think if I loosen that a little bit, I should be able to stick this in that Phillips head. I think tighten it down should. Yeah. A little bit more. Yeah, I definitely did tighten it up. Tighten that back down. Yeah. It's pretty good. Not bad. Definitely be nice to keep around. Still shows full battery bars. But yeah, it's not bad. I do like this brand. It's not, you notice how it's hitting that, if you can see in there, Sitting in that chain guard. He's just sitting there bouncing on it. I was kind of wondering about that because there's no stop on here at all. This perch is fairly cheap. I can see that breaking off pretty easy, but this brand for the price isn't that bad a deal at all. And they give you this that goes on there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I definitely get some use out of it, and kind of give a review after I get some more use, see how well it holds up. It is fairly cheap plastic, just like the rest of their tools, but I mean, these still are fairly stout. Like, I don't know. This that one I took apart, had issues with. It still works good, just a screw issue. So I might actually take one of the screws out of my newer one and run up to Feldman's and see if they have a screw that will match, and I can just run 4 screws like it's supposed to have, put some Loctite on them, and call it good. Yeah, that's it for the review for this little Kimo 6-inch saw. I like it. I think it's going to come in handy, especially around the house. Quite a bit of uses as far as camping goes. When I go camping with Novak Outdoors and Expedition Novak, I might take this with me in my backpack. This and both batteries, and it's not loud like a gas chainsaw, so we might be able to cut down some branches and everything with this. But thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.